All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Hi.
And it's time for another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today we've got something from Malaysia. We've got a package from Malaysia. It's something new. Let's have a look. Oh, right. What do we have here? Ooh, a letter. Dear Hans, we are the manufacturer of Uncle Son Chili and Black Pepper Crab Noodles. As the person who contacted me, that the parcel is not, okay. For your information, your Ramen Rater reviews in Taiwan have a great power of impact, so we would like to have a try of our products. Okay. Yeah, so the first package that they sent, it didn't make it through. However, the second one did. So let's have a look inside. All right, first we have some information about the new products. Looks pretty fancy, thank you. All right, and whoa, look at that black pepper crab instant noodles. If you're noticing my voice is pretty crummy, I've got horrible cold. I sound like Javi Feisty, don't I? But yeah, it's pretty crummy. Dripping sweat, nose is going, full 9 yards. I really wanted to get to doing some unboxings. It's been a while. I'm really curious. I want to see what these look like. So yeah, and here's what the individual packs look like. Wow. Fancy stuff. Thank you. And next, of course, if you have black pepper crab, you have to have chili crab. Chili crab is a very popular flavor in Singapore. All right, well, thank you very much. I'm gotta apologize for the horrible voice right now, but it'll pass. But yeah, I'll be trying these soon. And yeah, this has been Hans, and this has been wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye.